This is Mr. Loreline with your weekly roundup for Honors 7 from October 5th until October 8th. On the literature side, we are going to be reading 3 chapters. Chapter 11 on Monday, 12 on Tuesday and Wednesday, and then on Thursday, we will be reading chapter 13. Now, of course, with those chapters, we will be answering questions on the Cornell Note worksheets on Google Classroom. On the language arts side, we are going to make sure that we know what a reliable source looks like, and we'll have some practice on Monday. So that way on Tuesday and Wednesday and Thursday of this week, while students are working on their research topic about a destination that they have chosen to research on, that they will find reliable sources that have accurate information about those places. So that is your weekly roundup for Honors 7.